Hello, butterfly birds. Hello, year 7 and 8. I hope you are doing okay. It should be homeroom time right now. I miss you guys. I miss our homeroom. I am doing okay. I'll be back soon. I heard that Adam will be leaving us, so I wanted to make this short video to say goodbye. Adam, I didn't know what to do. I wanted to think of what picture to put up so that uh, so you guys would look at something when I was talking, and when I think of Adam, I think of PewDiePie, or PewDiePie, or however you guys call him, and I think of the chair. So, you weren't with us for very long. I hope you get to come back, and I hope we will see you next year. And I'm sorry to see you go, Adam. I know things happen, and I hope you will enjoy what is in your future, and I hope that you enjoy this new adventure. As for everybody else, I will see you guys next week, and keep studying hard for your exams. You can do it. Summer's almost here. So have a good day.